Alright, so this last siren is supposedly back here. I don't see anything. Did I just come? Oh, okay, there it is. That's... Oh, God. Jesus. What happened? Can I open up this blower even? I want to see what happens if you open this up. Like, okay, open up the blower. There's nothing in there. Oh. So the cover just comes off, I guess. That's okay. So switch, timer, and this. Alright, so I will leave this one be. Tell me if you want more of these videos. I'll try to make more sirens. I don't know. I don't have a lot of cardboard.